Yeah, hey guys. Sorry. Yeah, I know it's been a while since my last video. I'm pretty sure you're eager to know the progress of the S420. So I have to apologize. I got it running a couple of days ago. But the dreaded ASR light is on, putting the transmission into limp mode. So there's a Russian guy near me. Used to live in Brooklyn. My brother went 2 years ago when he had the car. And he lives in City Island now, which is not too far from me. I live in Mount Vernon, not too far from the Bronx. He told me how to get it running. Well, how to drive without it shutting off every second. So get everything going. Got the sunroof open. Oiled it up. The headlights and tail lights weren't working. Turn signal still ain't working, but the headlights are working now. Fog lights are working. Never knew the fog lights were in the headlights. But I'm pretty sure you're eager to hear. So she's revving kind of high, but let me turn on for you. Did a little bit with the interior here, but didn't really get to the interior. Trying to get her running. Revving kind of high. Look. She jumps to life. Like I said, everything's good except the dreaded ASR light. I saw online though it may be connected to the stoplight, that third stoplight in the back. The light here. There's a third light there. I don't know if you can hear it back there. As you can hear, probably she's revving kind of high, around 1500 RPMs, kind of high for this car. She's sounding good though. And to know I did all the work myself, saved around $3,000 for the fan clutch, water pump, thermostat. She's humming. Just revving high, but we'll take care of that. Sorry it took so long for the video. Been a long time coming, but got her humming. That one's for you, Carlos. See you later. Thanks for watching, guys.